Okie dokie. Well, got the packaging for the belt. Hopefully everything is correct. I spent quite a while looking online. And this should, just by judging, should fit exactly what I need. If it doesn't fit, it's like just off by a micro millimeter. So, now the fun part and the nerve-wracking part. I gotta take this thing apart, pull this thing out, put the new belt on there, get it all back together, and hope I do it right and not mess up any of the threads on this thing, or hopefully the motor's not shot also, and I just did all this for nothing. So, let's get into it. Okay, so first of all, we're not going to talk about that again. I spent 20 minutes last night messing with this, and that's what I have to show for it. Now, this was in this little groove here. These snap lock pliers literally bent these little pieces right here and would not go far enough to get out and around. So I literally had to break this out of there. We'll go buy some more snap rings over there and hope to God this all goes according to plan. Let's get back to it. Yep, don't do that, dum-dum. I don't know what things even moved. Yeah! Oh, I'm gonna feel that tomorrow. I don't think that thing's even moved. Or if it has, very little. Wow! That freaking hurt. Do that again! Ew! Ew! Why? I decided to do that. you. Eat a bag of go through all this work, get it on there, it doesn't work. I'm gonna be pissed.